that? Not a big surprise.
Audio made by Oz. Shout out to Connor and Threatwood.
Surprise, the big surprise.
Huggers!
Baba Boo, 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 Baba
You've been rickrolled.
Don't forget a tiny little taste of
Huggers!
Don't forget some of this other information was from the company name and the other one name. Yeah, isn't this so goofy?
Oh, great heavens!
yeah, baby!
You are dead. You are dead. Not a big surprise. Not a big surprise.
It's a Austin! A fake Austin! It's in Austin! We have a fake Austin in here!
Stop!
Nope.
The heck? What the heck was that?
Stop!
You are dead. Not a big surprise.
Bill Nye the Science Fry.
Baba Booey, 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 Baba Booey.
As the big bad scary monster got scared away!
Hello, it's me, Super Mario on the PS4.
As the big scary monster got flown away! As the big scary monster got blown away!
You just got coconut milk.
Cheese.
Bob?
been rickrolled.
You are dead. Not a big surprise.
Skip it up.
Bro, that's bad. Sound like me every day. That's stupid funny. I said that's stupid funny.
You are dead. Not a big surprise.